So the Spring Canton Fair on 2024 is coming soon. Here I'm going to share with you a lot of information about the fair. Hello guys, this is Canton from Centimeter. Nice to see you. Every year, the Canton Fair have 3 phases. The first phase starts from April 15 to 19. The second phase starts from April 23 to 27. And the third one, please pay attention, is the 1st of May to 5th of May, which is like one of the big holiday in China. So it's supposed to be a lot of people and also horrible traffic. So guys, you have to prepare for that. On the first phase, mainly you can see is electronic products. It's included with the consumer electronics and information products, household electrical appliance, lighting equipment, general machinery, and mechanical base parts, and so on. All these kind of electronic products that you can find on the first phase. And the second phase is mainly like the home decoration, the household products. It's like general ceramics, household items, kitchenware, tableware, weaving, rattan, iron products, gardening products, home decorations. And if you are also interested for the furnitures, probably you can find your products on phase 2. And if you are focused on fabrics, pet products, and some food, medical suppliers, and some textile bags, fashions, probably you need to come to China on May for the phase 3, because that is what they will be in the fair. So for the Canton Fair, the first important thing is you need to make sure that what kind of products you are looking for and what kind of products you are interested for, that you need to go to the right phase. No matter the first one or the second one or the third one, you need to come to China and make your schedule according to the products that you are looking for. So from last year, I shared one videos about like China already opened the door for the overseas buyers to come to visit China to do business or to join the Canton Fair. So most of you guys will have 144 hours visiting to China without visa. So probably now you are already getting ready, getting your luggage ready to China. For the Canton Fair, probably you will have 2 main airports to arrive. The first airport is the international airport in Guangzhou, and that airport is international airport and mainly of the countries that you have the flights directly to Guangzhou. And then the second airport is the Hong Kong airport. And from Hong Kong airport, when you land in Hong Kong, you will have the ferry or bus directly arrive to Canton Fair. And for the badge, most of you already have the badge from the other year, because this badge, when you have it, you will have it for your lifetime. And if you don't have it, you don't need to worry. With your passport to the front desk of the Canton Fair, you can still get your badge for the Canton Fair. Probably you just need to wait a little bit time, as there is a long line normally, but finally with your passport you will have the chance to get the badge to enter the Canton Fair. And then about the hotel, the place to stay, mainly of the hotels around the Canton Fair, they have the shuttle bus directly between the hotel to the Canton Fair. Canton Fair area also have the other hotel to stay, so you need to really book the hotel earlier if you want to stay closer to the Canton Fair. So after you have your place to stay, you have your badge to enter Canton Fair, then you will be probably worried about if someone speaks English in the fairs. For this part, you don't need to worry too much, because in the Canton Fair, most of the suppliers, they speak English. You won't have the problems to communicate. Everything is like as a procedure. Probably you already been to the Canton Fair, you already know how it goes. And here for Canton, I'm going to give you like 3 important tips when you go to the Canton Fair. The first tips is you need to make sure that the products you need to search, the products that you are looking for, and then you need to go to the right fair, the right time with the phase that they have the topic of the products. And then also in the Canton Fair, mainly of the suppliers that they require high MOQ. If you only need like a few pieces of different kind of products, and probably Canton Fair is not the place that will interest you. For example, last year I have a customer that he went to the Canton Fair, but he was confusing. He was like, Carmen, why I cannot find my products in Canton Fair, because everybody require high MOQ and I cannot reach that by few pieces of different products to try the market in my country. This is the problem that some of the customers will face, that they went to Canton Fair and then they're actually looking for smaller quantity. Every factories, every suppliers in the Canton Fair, they all require high MOQ of ordering. If you have this kind of situation, big virus of products, but with a very small quantity, like 10 pieces or 50 pieces, this kind of products, then in this situation, Canton Fair is not the place for you guys to go, because they will require high MOQ. Meanwhile, if you just want to go take a look to check what is the new products, what is the hot sale, what is the most popular products in the market, then you can go to have a look in the Canton Fair. And then the second tip, which is very important, is like don't set any down payment in the fair. It happened last year with one overseas buyers. He met the supplier in the fair, and then the supplier also offered him a very good deal for the products. And then he feel like, you know, when you are in the fair, you have the vibes, you are exciting, you are happy, oh, I'm in China. And then the customer set the down payment for one order, and when he fly back to his country, he cannot contact the supplier. Finally, he figured out this deposit he paid in the fair was gone. Don't set any down payment directly in the fair. You can do a little bit background check for the factory. Take longer time for you to know somebody you are going to work with. After that, then it's okay to pay the down payment, set the sample, and then proceed with the orders. Because Canton Fair is the biggest fair in China, and there are thousands of factories or companies or traders. They are trying to have the booth there in the fair. So it's very difficult for the Canton Fair itself to filter out who is the actual business, who is the actual factories, who is doing the good business or who is not doing the good business. It's very difficult for them to filter all this out. And the tip number 3, you find the products that you are interested in the fair, and then you want to have the business with the supplier. Ask to visit their factory if you have time. You can go to visit the factory with the supplier and to see how they works. In this situation, you can make sure actually it have the production. Another side also, you need to make sure the people showing the factory for you, they are really from the factory, or they are just someone to show you the factory that they know or they have the contact with. So this is also a very important point, that you need to make sure the people have the contact with you and doing business with you to show you the factory belongs to them or they are working for. Because in the Canton Fair, probably you are going to meet hundreds of suppliers, and all of them probably they are really from the factory themselves. Probably they are just traders. Probably they are just someone have contact with factories, and then they are going to sell the factories the products as their own products. So all these situations can be happen. So in the Canton Fair, you just need to make sure that the people who you deal with is trustful, is trustworthy. And with all the information I provide to you, and with the tips that I provide to you to take care, Centimeter wish you guys have a good trip to China, and I hope you find the products that you are looking for, and then you can have a good deal with the supplier. And don't forget, Centimeter here can offer you different kind of service. For example, when you already have several deals with the multiple factories, multiple suppliers, and you need someone to consolidate the products from all the factories that you've been talking, please contact us, that we can help you to consolidate the products from the multiple suppliers, and then we gathering all the products to into our warehouse, and then we can manage the shipping to you or to Amazon warehouse. Or the second offer, if you have already choose some suppliers that you really wish to work with and you are not sure if they are trustful or not, you can also contact us. We can help you to do factory background check. We can go to check they are reliable factories. We will also provide the product inspection. So when you have the order ready, when the factory already have the mass production ready, and you need someone to go and check the products to see if everything is going on the right way, please contact us. We can do the product inspection and send you the English reports to make sure everything is okay before shipping. And after the inspection, we make sure all the product is good to go. Centimeter can can also offer you the shipping service. We can do air shipping or the sea shipping. We can do delivery duty pay, or we just ship to port, and then we assist you to do the custom declarance or to delivery to door. All these shipping methods we can offer, we can provide all this kind of service for you to make your order from China, from Canton Fair, is going smooth and easy. And now I'm also making my schedule to visit the Canton Fair to check if there is some interesting products or new products coming out. There is more videos coming according to the Canton Fair. When I go to the Canton Fair, I also make some videos if I find some interesting products. And if you have any questions related to Canton Fair, if you have any questions related to sourcing and shipping from China, please leave me a message. If you like my video or you want to follow more information about the Canton Fair, please remember to leave a like or subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye!